The universe cards, number 30. The universe. Keyword: completion. Interpretation. It is very difficult for the human mind to grasp the nature of the universe as a complete entity. While our minds can conceptualize about the nature of infinity, it is much harder for us to grasp the true meaning of a universe that is infinite and yet is still expanding. Yet the end of our journey into the cosmos necessarily ends with the entire universe. This is as far we can go, the point of completion. It is this concept of completion that is represented by the universe card. You have gone as far it is possible to go with the object of your inquiry. A state of completion, of unity has been reached, even if you do not recognize it as such. You have reached the end of the road. However you may feel about the object of your inquiry, you must accept it as a finished entity. Sometimes we do not know when to stop with the project or a situation, and we keep on trying to improve and change things even when the optimum point has been reached. The universe card number 30 indicates that it's time to stop tinkering and accept that you already have the finished article, however imperfect you may feel it to be. The universe card sets a limit. It reminds us that we have traveled as far as it is possible to go at the present time. It is now time to return home to Earth and begin a new journey.